Hey guys, welcome back to 1984 Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing a copycat recipe of one of my favorite dishes from one of my favorite places, Cheddar's restaurant. I don't know how many of them are actually nationwide, but Cheddar's spinach dip, man, I love it. So we're going to do a copycat recipe of this. So let's get started. Guys, welcome back. Here's our ingredients. We got 10 ounces of chopped spinach, unfrozen, drained all the excess water off of it. We got one jalapeno, diced, deseeded, chopped up. One whole onion. I had red onions, so that's what I used. Got one 4-ounce can of green chilies. I used mild, you could use hot. Got 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Got 1 cup of half and half. I got one 8-ounce thing of cream cheese. We're going to get this all mixed together, guys. So here we go. Alright guys, John here, back. Got our mixture nice and incorporated, as you can see here. Alright. I already got my oven preheated to 400 degrees. That's what we need our oven at. It's already preheated and ready to go. Now I got my pan here, my little dish. I've already spread a little bit of olive oil in it. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to pour our mixture on in here. Into our little dish. Nice and done. It says use about an 8-inch dish, so I'm just trying to get all the scrapes out of here we can. Alright. Now we're just going to kind of spread this evenly as we can on our dish to make it even. Voila. Alright. There's our dish. It's all ready to go. We'll put it in the oven at 400 degrees. For about 30 minutes or until bubbly, okay? I'll bring you back when we... Alright guys, welcome back. Finished product here. I'm going to lift this up. I'll let this cool off, but just kind of let y'all see. Alright. Give us a taste test. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. Taste test time. Bring that in a little closer to you. Okay. Now I will say this, guys. This isn't as, I let this cool off a little bit, but it's not as creamy as I wanted it to be, okay? Because there, it's a lot creamy, it's real creamy, you know? This looks kind of thick, but if you can see that or not, I don't know. Got some tortilla chips here. We're going to take a taste test of this, see what it tastes like. Here, I'll bring that up a little closer so you guys can kind of maybe see that. Mm. 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 Guys, that's really good. Excuse me here. Guys, that's really good. Even though it's not so like real thick, like cheesy, it's got a nice consistency to it. The cheese, you taste the onion, and then the spinach. It's not overpowering. It tastes really good, guys. It's a very simple, quick recipe. It's one of my favorite dishes at Cheddar's. I'll leave a link in the description box with the site that I went to get this recipe. Plus, I'll leave all the recipe down in the description box. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a quick, simple little recipe. Be good for some football games, you know, things like that. Anyway, guys, if you like what we're doing here at 1984 Barbecue, hit that thumbs up button. Share us. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back, guys. If you're new to the channel, hey, glad to have you. Think about hitting that subscribe button, then hit that bell notification, let you know when I release videos. Anyways, guys, y'all take care, be safe, and we'll see y'all.